What's up, Season Gang? So damn back in another video. And oh snap, what was that? Oh lordy, got food color on me. So now I'm going to be making a fluffy slime. Slime. It's going to be a tiny one. Because I realized that I had some more glue left over. Just a little bit. It's going to be a mini fluffy slime. Put in the comments, have you ever watched that? Seen this? I'm trying to go new and do stuff that I really don't do. And as you see, as I am a professional YouTuber, and I'm a professional dancer, singer, and a slime maker. That's a secret. So we're going to put it on the spoon. I don't want to put that much. Just about that much if you're making a mini slime. Y'all seen that? And food coloring is awesome. I can't say it right now. My words are messed up. And as you just seen, as the camera turned, you will need baking soda, food coloring, and contact lens solution. Let's see, can I do it without the baking soda? Let's see. So I'm gonna get the little contact lens solution. Let's see this. Okay, you always will need baking soda. You will need a little bit of baking. But that's more. That was a lot. I didn't expect that one. So it's coming together. A little more contact lens solution. Okay, there we go. Now this way. Okay. It's a little bit watery. Oh my gosh, I hate that I did this. Cause when you make fluffy slime, the food coloring good. Okay, you just want to stretch. Let's see what this one. Of course it did not. That's what made it not stretch. Well, it did kind of work out. Look. Okay, no, that was it. We got to save you. Ooh, it's soft. Well, that will work a little bit. Did it work? Yeah. Okay, this stinks. So, thanks for watching. And make sure you subscribe. And if you want to become a C Smith Gang, make sure you subscribe. Put it in the comments that you have. And you might end up finding some in your mailbox. I'm not telling you. So see you next time. And hands 30 seconds. Say peace out. But we're going to do something else. Peace out.